Hello, welcome to RandPaul2010.com. Glad you dropped by today. I just finished this week rereading Hayek's The Road to Serfdom, and one thing I was struck by in the book was the discussion about the rule of law versus arbitrary law. Hayek is very specific that the rule of law is and are laws that are predictable and that keep law and order and are written in advance of controversy. Arbitrary law is where the law is unpredictable and the law can be changed and is capricious and is different for individuals. Capricious or arbitrary law makes the economy, or makes it difficult in the economy to predict the outcome of different transactions. Right now we're going through the Chrysler debacle. Chrysler's gone bankrupt and went to bankruptcy court, and there's a long history of bankruptcy law. People make their investments based on the predictability of bankruptcy law. You had people who were bondholders, the Indiana pension, which is teachers' pension, and they owned part of Chrysler. They stood in line first to receive payment, but President Obama stepped in over top of the bankruptcy proceedings and said no. This is not the rule of law. We will have arbitrary law, and this arbitrary law we will say that no, the union gets to step up in front of the line, in front of the teacher's pension. One commentator this week said that what is so bad about this ruling is not just what it does to those bondholders who should have gotten money and should have been at the head of the line in bankruptcy proceeding. What is so bad about this ruling is that it leads to unpredictability. It leads to a marketplace where people are uncertain of what they will get, and so consequently investment funds like pension funds will be wary of investing in companies if they don't know that they'll be first in line should there be a bankruptcy. So it hurts the whole economy at large. It makes investment unpredictable, and it's all because it's a violation of the rule of law. We had a chance, I thought for a second, that Justice Ginsburg was going to stop this. She stopped it for one day, but then the Supreme Court refused to hear this. This, I think, is a real travesty. It's a real breach of the rule of law, and it is something that is a big mistake and something that in our country, if we do not reverse the tide, will lead to chaos in the marketplace. It'll lead to less investment and to more economic problems. I hope we can do something to change it. We're trying the political route to see what we can do to influence the debate. Thank you for stopping by RandPaul2010.com.